Deep within the mountains of the United States, there is a modern town where using a cell phone, turning on Wi-Fi, or even wearing a Bluetooth watch is strictly illegal. Welcome back to World Blueprint. Today, we are exploring Green Bank, West Virginia, the quietest town in America. Where high-tech security police actively drive through the streets to hunt down illegal wireless signals. This zero-tech lifestyle isn't a choice made by anti-technology locals. It is enforced by the U.S. government to protect the Green Bank telescope, the world's largest fully steerable radio telescope. This massive machine is so sensitive that it listens to the faintest radio waves from dying stars and distant galaxies. A single Wi-Fi router in this town would completely blind the telescope, ruining decades of space research. The rules here are extreme. Modern gasoline cars are banned near the telescope because spark plugs emit radio interference. Everyone must drive old-school diesel trucks instead. Even microwave ovens must be enclosed in special steel boxes to block any escaping rays. To an outsider, it looks like a punishment, but for people suffering from electro-hypersensitivity, this town is a medical sanctuary. Green Bank proves that total peace is still possible in a hyper-connected world. Would you ever dare to live a month completely disconnected from the internet? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to World Blueprint, and map out the globe with us. See you next time.